Our customer portal allows your authorized users to monitor your secure access service edge. You can log in with two-factor authentication with either a software token or hardware token as a second factor. Depending on your permissions, you can monitor the complete WAN or only the relevant region, location, or service. In the Open Systems customer portal, you have access to news containing announcements about new features, portal maintenances, as well as security-related information such as new vulnerabilities and whether your services are affected or not. In the Reports section, you can find management reports which allow internal reporting with just one click. As the customer portal serves as a support center portal at the same time, you can open tickets within the portal and see ongoing and past tickets. In the People section, you get an overview of all customer portal users, including users of any other Open Systems authentication service, such as Mobile Entry Point. A simple permission setup with predefined roles helps deploy the platform or any changes fast. All relevant files, such as topologies or physical installation reports, are shared via the easily accessible Files tab. Keep track of important changes in the audit trail. The dashboard page provides a holistic view of all components of your SASE portfolio. A single pane of glass, it covers all aspects from applications to security to the network and transport layer. From here, you can access different functions and services as well as locations of your WAN. Let's visit the different components bottom up. We will start with the transport layer. Because every SD-WAN relies on the underlying transport layer, this is where our monitoring begins. Independent of internet service providers and the operating technology, every underlying line is constantly monitored. Firstly, this is a complete ISP inventory, storing provider names, bandwidth, and other details. Secondly, the underlying transport layer provides capacity monitoring and indicates possible bottlenecks. These are already indicated in the overview, and then you can drill down to the details. Details regarding the availability are recorded for every ISP line. Brief internet service interruptions, often referred to as hiccups, are monitored, and outages trigger an alert in the form of an automated ticket. Users can opt in to be notified about ISP lines via email or SMS, and, depending on your subscription, our operations team takes care of ISP outage escalation tickets. Open Systems identifies applications with a unified engine that combines classic network parameters with Layer 7 deep packet inspections. Reduce complexity and get an overview of your global application usage. The application usage dashboard shows you traffic going through the secure web gateway and DNS filter, as well as VPN traffic and traffic going directly through your firewalls. You can drill down into applications and specific locations in order to get more details about application usage. Drill down to the details of your important apps, such as Office 365 or Skype for Business, and get insights on the application throughput in one particular location. You can see the throughput on each available line. This page also shows path selection transitions or whether any packets of the application were dropped. Get insights on the paths that an application was taking and on the reasons why an application has been rerouted by path selection. Make sure your critical applications get the capacity they need and the best path possible. To see more about packet queuing and drops of your important apps, you can navigate to the bandwidth control statistics, which are displayed per actively used ISP line. This page shows you performance, traffic, and history of your application's bandwidth usage, and helps you prioritize your applications for the available bandwidth. Open Systems is flexible in terms of site-to-site connections. We support star topologies as well as full mesh or anything in between, all visible at a glance on the WAN dashboard. All VPN tunnels are always up. A path selection transition does not have to wait for a tunnel to be established first. Drill down into every site-to-site connection and get meaningful information such as round-trip times, packet loss, or throughput. Benefit from VPN tunnel rating, which is done by comparing the performance of the connection against similar connections across our whole customer base. The Secure Web Gateway statistics provide you with a global overview of your secured application usage. Benefit from a unified application view from the same detection engine used for all other SD-WAN features. Get insights on when and where, who is using which application. Meaningful statistics about secured web traffic are displayed per app, user, URL, or location. You even have the possibility to drill down for any of them with dynamic scaling in usage over time. You can view live proxy traffic on the Web Gateway log viewer, where each log entry is displayed and can be analyzed in detail. See what you have been protected from with Unified Threat Protection. You have not been affected by any of this malicious activity. Open Systems is your insurance against web threats and incidents. The Unified Threat Protection platform integrates a curated collection of threat intelligence feeds and improves the protection measures of various web security features such as Secure Web Gateway, DNS Filter, or Secure Email Gateway. Here too you have the possibility to drill down on each alert in order to see which threats for which application have been prevented. To complete your security posture, Open Systems offers Network Security Monitoring, which is a security incident escalation management and analysis tool. Every SD-WAN node is an IDS sensor which reports into a central security incident correlation center. The NSM dashboard shows you live security alerts with included threat scoring. Events are correlated and aggregated into a threat score for every client IP address. The Open Systems Customer Portal does not only provide you with meaningful insights into your real-time network and security status, but you can also view historic logs for the DNS filter or a variety of actionable items such as self-service tools for internal system administrators, for example. Our customers love Virtual Packet Tracker, which is the customer-preferred self-service network tool. Enter a source, a destination, and an application, and the tool simulates a packet's WAN path, routing, and firewall actions that are applied on the way. Relevant firewall policy rule links are provided, and from there you have a direct reference to the corresponding change ticket that contains the whole audit trail. As you can see, network and security operations can be this easy if all SASE components are truly unified on one platform. Benefit from the relevant statistics, easy-to-use tools, and a meaningful collection of information. Get access to the Open Systems Customer Portal today.